All right, so last September, my son comes up to me and goes, "Dad, I'm a watch guy now." Wasn't sure what to say about that, so I had to think about it. So he's been wearing this Casio that he got about a year ago. He has worn this little Casio religiously for about a year, almost every day, even on the weekends. You can kind of see it's got a lot of staining, some scratches. Not bad for an 11-year-old for all of his adventures. He got staining from his clothes and scratches from whatever, but he's taking care of it. He has worn it, and he says, "Dad, I'm a watch guy." So this is going to be kind of a weird video. I'm in my garage, and I'm in my pajamas. It is Christmas Eve. So a lot of this stuff is getting wrapped today, but I wanted to show you guys what was happening for a reason. So he goes, "Dad, I'm a watch guy." So the first thing I thought was, I'm gonna get this kid a Seiko 5 SNK. Now the SNK is a entry-level Seiko watch. It's not a Grand Seiko. He's 11. It's really entry-level. They were $49. $49.99, $49.95, somewhere in there, before COVID. I looked that watch up in September, and even right now, $229. I don't know about you guys, but the Seiko 5, that's a great watch, great entry-level watch, but it is not a $229 watch. I don't know what made it increase by 5 times, but it's crazy to me that the Seiko 5 SNK is now a $200 plus watch. So my second inclination was, you know what? For that price, I could get him 3 months of Watchgang. And those of you who've seen my channel know that Watchgang and I have kind of a complicated relationship. They're a great company, they're really nice. We don't really fit very well, but for my son, this is a perfect situation. So first thing I did was, I went on the Blacklist website and I got him one of these Rothwell watch cases. Rothwell watch cases are excellent. Well, I have two. I have one just like this, and then I have a bigger one. So you got 4 watch pillows, and then on the other side you've got a flat watch, and then space for some random bits on the side, rings, that kind of stuff. The great thing about this is it's going to be very adultish for an 11-year-old. This is a great way to start a collection. You got room for 5 watches plus some other random stuff, and this is going to be great for him. So I did my 3 months of Watchgang. Excellent gift opportunity for him. I was in that price range of $220 was what was in my head. I got my first one at the Watchgang Black for $80, and then after that it was $140. I only planned to get him 3 months. I only did get him 3 months. So we did October, November, and December. He's not going to get all 3 of these watches all at once. I'm going to give him 1 watch for Christmas tomorrow. I'm going to give him 1 watch for January and 1 watch for February. So he kind of gets that subscription feel to it, but he's not going to just be dumped 3 watches on at once. So the first watch that Watchgang sent us was this Dominatore Del Mar automatic, and I really like this watch because it is kind of an homage to a lot of the Tudors, a lot of the Rolexes. It's just a simple dive watch, but it looks so similar to what I usually wear, which is, you know, the Tudor Black Bay, that he's gonna really like this because it's gonna be very similar to mine. This one did not have a metal bracelet, but it is an automatic, and he's gonna really like that. So that's the first watch that Watchgang sent. That was our first month. Second month, we got this Cadola, which this is a crazy watch. He's gonna look at this and not know what all these functions are. I look at this watch and don't know what all these functions are. But you got your Cadola chronograph, obviously an automatic, has a lot of bells and whistles, date, time, stopwatch, etc. Great. It's going to have your full bracelet. He's going to really like this watch. That was November's watch. Now the star here is this watch from Aviate, or AVI8, Aviate, kind of a pun there, but Aviate. Nice watch. He's gonna really like this. This is what I'm giving him for Christmas. This will be his December Watchgang gift. Aviate, nice chronograph, aviator watch, has the crown protector on the side, very shiny. He's gonna love this watch. Love it. So I only did 3 months. We got 3 watches, and this was just a really good gift opportunity for somebody who's just starting to explore a watch collection. New watch guys, I guess, is kind of the way I would put that. He is very young for this, I realize. This may not be an appropriate gift for an 11-year-old, but I think he's really going to enjoy it. And I'd rather him have 3 watches that he can enjoy than buy him a game system or buy him another video game or something like that. These are just something that if he takes care of, he'll learn that they last a long time, and then he can take care of his stuff and really show me what he showed me with his Casio, that he's old enough to have something nice. It's kind of a step into adulthood, but he's only 11. Now, I'll probably get a little bit of flack for buying a Watchgang Black subscription for an 11-year-old, but it is what it is. It's a Christmas gift. He's going to really love it. I will try to include some unboxing gifts depending on how that video goes. I'll try to splice in some kind of opening of the gifts. Some people like that. This isn't really a blog channel at all. It's just kind of random bits that I throw in. I haven't made a video in a very long time, since before COVID. Like I said, this is going to be a weird video because I'm in my garage in my pajamas and it's Christmas Eve. But I hope you guys have a great holiday, and for those of you guys that watch this, thanks.